Happy morning, guys. This is Dr. R. Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic derivation tree in CFG in the subject Theory of Computation. You all know very well the theory of computation is none other than a combination of science as well as mathematics. We are going to implement the computation techniques in order to solve some kind of technical issues. Here we will see how to derive with the help of the context-free grammar. You all know the context-free grammar. Before the context-free grammar in previous lecture series, we saw what is meant by context-free grammar, what for we are using context-free grammar, right? Simply the context-free grammar is one of the formal grammar in order to generate the possible patterns of strings. So the possible patterns here we are going to implement some kind of techniques. That is one kind of technique is called derivation tree under CFG. Derivation tree we used to call as the graphical representation of some kind of the techniques. So the derivation tree, we, or otherwise another term we used to call as a parse tree. So the parse tree is an ordered root tree that graphically we are going to represent the semantic informations, a string derived from a context-free grammar. Here we are going to representing the derivation tree in the with the help of three elements, that is none other than one is root tree, and another one is root tree, and another one is leaf node, and then the child node. So with that we are going to derive a tree. We are going to represent in tree-like structure. The graphical representation is look like tree-like structure. That's why we used to call it as a derivation tree. See, for example, here S is the root tree. First, we are going to start from S, right? So that is a root for the derivation of string. So the derivation of string is mainly focused in order to solve some kind of technical issues. We are going to form the string in possible patterns in order to solve some technical issues. Here we are implementing in order to derive the string, we are going to implement the formal grammar rules, the four tuples we studied, right? So that we are going to implement here, terminal symbols as well as non-terminal symbols. And then the set of production rules we are going to embed. The terminal symbols and non-terminal symbols we are going to use the alphabets, lowercase letters as well as uppercase letters in order to find the possible patterns of strings with the help of derivations. So this is a short kind of example how the derivation will be. Here the x1, x2, likewise that and all that symbols in that we consider here as leaf nodes. So in that we are deriving some more nodes, means that's what we used to call as a child node. So the first here clearly knows the first starting symbol, the starting part is known as a root tree. Next, let us see, for example, some set of production rules are available. E is equal to E plus E, as well as E is equal to E star E. Suppose E represents either A or either B or else C. So we are in need of input A star B plus C. So that step by step we are going to derive E plus E as well as E star E, and then that step 4 we are going to derive the that A plus A star B as well as the plus C. So for that A and all, A, B, C and all, finally we are going to derive the third set of production rule. Either E is considered as A or B or C. So with the help of the given production rules we are going to apply in order to with the help of that set of production rules we are going to find an input. So in this way we are going to calculate the derivation tree in order to generate the possible patterns of string. Hope you understand the derivation tree, how to process the derivation tree with the help of context-free grammar tuples. So let us summarize. With the help of the four tuples V, T, P, S, the variables, terminal symbols, V for non-terminal symbols, T for terminal symbols, P for production set of rules, and then S for start symbol. So with these kind of tuples, we are going to generate the possible set of strings by using diagrammatic representation of that's under CFG. That's none other than derivation tree. It's otherwise known as parse tree. Happy learning. Thanks for your patient listening. Thank you.